Now, known as a great military-inspired timepiece, the SEAGULL 1963 offers a great column wheel chronograph complication. It's probably one of the best and most affordable column wheel chronographs out there on the market today. Not only is it great to look at, super gorgeous, it offers great functionality. Let's get into this SEAGULL 1963 Chronograph Close-Up with a bird's eye view. So here we have the SEAGULL 1963, a column wheel chronograph, a close-up bird's eye view. Now the design specs are in the original review, which I'll put that link down below for you. But let's check out a close-up of the chronograph and how it functions with the pushers, the subdials, and the overall hand operation. For starters, we have a stainless steel pusher, start-stop at the 2 o'clock position, and we have the reset down below at the 4 o'clock position. Now we have a gorgeous red chronograph seconds hand which contrasts well not only with the dial itself but also with the blue hour and minute hands, providing clear separation and function as it is assigned to the chronograph or stopwatch. We have two smaller subdials. The small seconds hand is located at the 9 o'clock position, not to be confused with the chronograph, but yet we have the blue subdial at the 3 o'clock position, which is your 30-minute timer for the chronograph monitoring. Some chronographs we know have up to 12-hour monitoring capabilities. Now with that exhibition case back, you can see that the mechanic movement and the column wheel chronograph functionality at the back is just awesome. The SEAGULL 1963 is a lot of fun, a great design, functional, and of course it has great history, being produced by the Chinese Air Force back in, wait for it, 1963. Now there is no lume for this particular watch, however there are very good contrasting colors between the blue hands as well as the red hand and the dial, which offer pretty good visibility considering. However, I would suggest that there might be some issues with low light visibility in operating the chronograph as well. Now the one thing I do like about this chronograph operation is it's not too clunky, so with a simple press of the start button you'll see that the chronograph is running, and then with ease another press will stop the chronograph, and then you can just see quite simply with the reset button here at 4 o'clock how easy it is to apply pressure and have everything reset back to 12. It's very slick. I'll also take it out of the NATO here so you can take a look at the case back and see the movement. I'm TheCovertCrow. Thanks for watching. Do me a favor, follow me on Instagram. It's right there. You know what to do, and you know there's going to be another video. My time is up. See you on the next one. I'm out.